Okay.
She didn't like that.
She did not like that one. Oh, we're just chit-chatting. Nope. Can you not bite the desk and lick the desk? Okay. I guess we didn't account for having a dog on this podcast, but that's okay. All right, everyone.
She's not just a dog. She's our child.
She is our child.
Okay.
She looks like me. Anyway, welcome back, everyone.
But Tanner.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, she's got the hair from me. Everyone, welcome back. Welcome to Face the Facts. We've got another special guest today. Whether she likes it or not, she's here. But we are excited to have her back, and I think this one is going to be interesting. I'm going to take over this one and ask her some questions. She's not necessarily the camera type of person. She likes to be in the back. So this is something new for her.
This is the part where I blink twice. Because I need help.
She doesn't, honestly, this is good. She has so much potential, and I'm so excited. All right. So one of the reasons why I wanted to have you on this is because I think that, our practice has recently brought on a lot of skincare products that I think has been pretty impactful for my patients, but also I think for you. And I think it's, as you've kind of described, you feel like you have kind of the best skin that you've had in a long time. And so I just wanted to just briefly go into your skincare journey and some of the concerns that you had and some of the things that you've kind of introduced into your products that's been helpful. And as comfortable as you feel going into this, thanks for coming.
You're welcome.
Yeah. I think she's having a good time. Anyway. Okay. So I guess tell me first question, what were your skincare concerns? Like what were some of the concerns that you had on your skin? I mean, overall you had really nice skin, but what were some of the things that were challenging for you in the beginning?
Breakouts. Yeah. It was just on my forehead. Yeah. I don't really have an explanation. I think it's because, I know it's probably because I wasn't washing my face immediately after like a sweaty workout. Yeah. Probably, most likely.
Yeah.
But also just the inconsistency with,
products.
I was just taste testing all of it.
Anything and everything we brought home.
Anything and everything you brought home deterred me from having to go out to get anything. So then I would just sample everything and my skin said no.
Yeah, exactly.
So,
and for your skin tone, when you had breakouts, what happened after those?
You mean after I pick them?
Yeah, which was part of the struggle. I was trying so hard. Yeah.
Hyperpigmentation.
Yeah, so you were getting some dark spots, right? So dark spots and acne and some of the things. And I think you're right. I think some of the consistency was part of it. I think that you didn't really have a consistent regimen because there was so much variety in there and you were trying to kind of taste test everything. Mm-hmm. And I think that consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Find something that works right for your skin and is treating your specific concerns. So, I mean, how do you feel like your skin's looking now?
How does it look on camera? Is it?
I don't know. We'll see what G can do. I'm sure he can enhance it.
I don't know. No, I think I'm at a better place right now, for sure. I think, like you said, with the consistency and everything, I do feel like there's been a drastic change from, December of last year to even like January, February of this year. But still a journey.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I think, let's talk about what your regimen is right now. And I think the thing is your regimen is specific for you. Yeah. It's not specific for everyone. Everyone has a different regimen based on what their concerns are and the things that they want to treat. So for you, what are some of the active ingredients or the topics? What do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I use hydroquinone and vitamin
take a step back. But as far as cleansers and things like that, you don't have to say the product.
Cleanser.
Yeah,
I would say just a simple gentle cleanser. I also use salicylic cleanser, but I would say that's probably more so at night. Yeah. And then after cleansing, I just use the 4% hydroquinone and vitamin C serum, followed by a big jug of moisturizer.
Yep.
And then sunscreen.
Yeah. Your favorite sunscreen.
My favorite sunscreen.
And then at night, what do you do?
That's when, after the salicylic cleanser and everything, tretinoin, which was a journey in and of itself, as well as the 4% hydroquinone.
Yeah.
And then and then just moisturizer.
Yeah.
Just a fat, layer of moisturizer.
So were you able to use the hydroquinone and the tretinoin immediately, or was there a buy-in?
It was a little bit of a buy-in, especially because my skin's a little bit more on the sensitive side. Yeah. So the redness, the flaking was definitely something to kind of push through, especially in those first 3 months.
Yeah.
So a lot of that moisturizer sandwich, as you would call it, moisturizer, tret, hydroquinone, moisturizer, was kind of what kept me, looped in.
Right.
Because my face wasn't falling off. And then I was able to kind of, titrate off of that, or I guess like wean off like that moisturizer in the beginning. Yeah, and just go straight on with like the tret and the hydroquinone. So far so good. I think we kind of made it through the thick of it, in those first 3 months.
And then did you do any chemical peels or things like that? Was that helpful?
I did do that. Yeah, no, it was super helpful. But I think with that, it also is consistency, because a one and done, it's not one and done. That's the thing with chemical peels is, yes, one gives you results, but it's a matter of maintenance. Yeah. Yeah,
definitely. Well,
tell me about your skincare.
Well, you look great. Let's talk more about you. No, my skincare is a journey as well, and we can go into that in future videos. And maybe the next time you're running this podcast, you can ask me about my skincare. But today, it's more about you. So anyway, let's wrap it up. It was really nice having you here, and thanks for coming in. I think the important thing is really that your skincare journey really is unique, and it's individualized, it's customized, it's personal. It's
custom and consistent.
Yeah, and expecting that it's going to take time. Yeah. All right. Well, I think we put our dog to sleep, so I think we're going to wrap it up here. Anyway, thanks for coming. It was nice talking with you, and leave other comments in the questions and let me know other skincare questions you guys have. We've got a lot of really cool topics to talk about. All right. See you guys next time.